Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, for today's video we're going to be working on part 2 of this series, doing my preteen daughter a room makeover. As you saw in the first video, the inspiration for this room makeover is going to be like this forest theme with different green tones, and we're also going to add some wicker and some wood and things like that to make this whole inspiration come to life. On part 2 of this video we are going to be doing a gallery wall. I'm going to use this wall right here that doesn't have like anything at all, and I'm going to transform this whole area. I'm pretty excited because I have never done this before. I mean, like, this whole space right here is gonna have tons of DIYs, so I hope that you like and enjoy today's video. My daughter is gonna be helping me too. I'm not gonna do this alone, and it's a really cool and nice experience to be able to do these DIYs and this whole room makeover with her. So yeah, we're going to be doing that. Let's get started.
Okay guys, let's do this.
I'm gonna keep that. Oh yeah, she's my daughter, Itzel. Let's get started. Okay, I hope that you can hear us well because we have the fan right here. It's super hot, so yeah. Okay, and put this in my room. Okay, so we have a bunch of stuff that I think we're going to use for the gallery wall. I have a bunch of this that I think I'm going to use, and I really like that they already have like this frame already painted. I have some boards. This girl right here painted this by herself, and it's so cute. I love the texture. I love everything about it, and I think we're going to, well, I think we are obviously going to use this for the gallery wall. We have some frames that we can add like a nice pattern on the back. We are also going to be using these that she also paint. She paint all of the canvas, and I draw these dragonflies. And just a few things that we maybe can hang. Let's get started with our DIYs. Kind of funny because on last video you saw the room like pretty nice and cute. Right now it's a mess. We have all of our materials out. It looks kind of crazy, but it's our DIY zone, so it's where our creativity gets out, and yeah. Let's put this really big cardboard piece to be able to paint on the floor. I think we're going to start with this one. What I have on mind is to remove this cardboard here because it's really old. I'm going to replace it with a new one, and I'm going to paint the whole back. I'm gonna try to paint it the same green color because I really like it. So I got this from Walmart. I hope it's the same color because I really like it. I'm not sure if it's this one. I'm gonna try it. Okay, let's start with that. We are trying to do this super quickly because there are a bunch of DIYs that we have to do. So we already painted one of these boards, and she is drying these with the heat tool, and I'm going to start working on this other DIY. All of the color that it has on the edges, they are just some decal that I put before. So I'm gonna take all of these out because I'm going to be painting this area right here and all of the edges using the same green color. I think it's going to make this whole piece look so much better. So yeah, let's keep working. It looks so good. Okay, so we are going to be painting some of the pieces in this dark green, and the other ones are going to be in like this moss color. We have these two done already. Let's keep painting the other ones. So basically we're doing the hard part first, which is all of the painting. And then we can start like mounting all of the DIYs. And I made so many decals for these frames with my Cricut machine. So I'm really excited. We're going to put a lot of like nice and like cool quotes for the gallery wall so she can read them. And when she wake up, the gallery wall is the first thing that she's gonna see. So it's gonna be pretty cool. We have this one paint 2 coats only. The heart is already painted too. Now we have another project that we have to paint before we start like putting everything together and adding the decals and the greenery and all of the fun stuff. We're going to paint a mirror. The whole idea for this gallery wall is for her to have like an area so she can see herself, like her outfits and things like that. So we have a really tall mirror. This is very inexpensive. It's the one that you can get from Walmart like for like $10 or something like that. But it's white. All of the edges are white. So I think it could look really cute if we paint them green so it matches really well with the whole decor, right? Oh my god! No! Wait! Oh gosh! I like that! Yes! I love it! It's gonna be like darker though. We are done with the paint. Finally! So now we're going to start putting all of the decals that I need. So for the mirror that I just paint, I was thinking for something like this. How you can see it, it says confidence looks good on you, and I think that's perfect for a mirror. So we're going to start with this, and I'm going to put it, I'm thinking like on the top, right? Yeah. Move this, so this is how it looks. Can you see it? Well, it's a mirror, so it's kind of hard to see. Okay, next DIY, we're going to do the heart. And for this, we're going to put sassy girl.
Yeah.
And she's a sassy girl. Oh my gosh.
Yay! Oh, so easy.
We did it. Okay, so we're like laying on the floor. So this is how it looks. Now, oh, there's a mosquito who's gonna bite me. Okay. I have this option, or we can put, I made a, like a kiss, like, you want to put it?
I don't know. What is it? I don't know.
You like it or not?
I don't know, bro.
Don't call me bro, I'm not your bro.
Okay, bro.
Oh, okay, now we need something to be able to hang this on the wall. And we're going to use just some twine, like the old technique. Ah! Wait, come on! So funny.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Ouch! Put the hugs on my finger. Oh! Ow! Mi pelito! Oh my god. I cry. Oh! I cry.
We're back.
Ay, no, espérate, lo castré. Okay. Let's be more careful, right? Okay? Yeah. So this is my finger now. ¡Ah! ¡Me duele! Está haciéndome así.
Puppy.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Can I handle this?
No! No, get out the Oh my god, it's sweating.
Estoy sweating.
Okay, anyways, we'll put this thing safely there. Oh no, okay. Okay, so this is my masterpiece. Ta-cha! I just put a lot of hot glue and twine. Okay, next one. Come on.
This one.
Let's go. Okay, for this one we're going to use this frame and this green background. What?
Anyway.
Okay.
Try it.
Nope.
I want to try it.
Nope.
Why?
Okay, this is how it looks. And for this one, we're going to use this quote that says, "The best version of you is growing." So we're going to put it, and my idea was to put some flowers on the bottom, but I don't know if they're gonna look good. So let's see. DIY number 3.
Yeah.
It's done. Next one. Okay, for these DIY, we made these decal that says what says main character energy. Oh, so cute. I think this is my favorite one.
Too.
DIY number
Something.
no. It's done. Next one. This one says, "Be kind to your mind," and I love the dark green color on the back. Next DIY!
Yay.
DIY is gonna be this one. We're not gonna put any type of decal here. We are going to put one leaf. There you go. There you go. Hey! Gosh. So we are going to keep working on this video tomorrow. Let's clean this room a little bit.
And then tomorrow we're gonna make another mess and we're gonna have to clean again.
Yay!
Yay!
Hey guys, it's day 2 of doing this room makeover part 2. Now let's go to the fun part. We're going to start putting all of our DIYs in this wall. And my husband already helped me and he put the mirror. So yeah, we have that already up, and now we have to put all of the DIYs that we did yesterday. I did something to be able to see how I would like them on the wall before I actually put them. So basically, I used some construction paper and I cut it the same size and shape of the things that I really want to put on the wall. So first I'm going to stick all of these construction paper on the wall to see how they look and where I want to put everything, and then I'm going to start like actually putting them on the wall. First I want to hang this one. It's gonna be super close to the vanity. That way she can like throw things here, maybe like hair stuff. I'm going to be using some nails, drawing things and things like that to put the things on the wall. They are not super heavy, so it's gonna be okay. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. I already put a few of these DIYs because I don't want to do like the whole shape. I'm gonna start putting like the pieces that I already know where they are gonna go, and then I'm going to see where I can put these extra DIYs. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Okay. ¿Está that out? I think it is. Right? Nope. No, it's not. Okay. Like that? Nope. Why not? Come on. Okay, there you go. wants to put this bow that we made because she wants to add this like really coquette touch. I don't like it. I don't like it, but she really wants to put it. So let me see. I don't like it. I like it. It's smashed on the wall.
You don't have to smash it. Look.
Yeah, I know. I have. Oh God!
You could just like.
Yes, but you're going to smash it. Once you sit here, yeah. She's going to smash the bow.
I'm not gonna smash it.
Yes.
I'm not.
Every time you sit on your vanity, you're going to smash the bow.
See, I don't sit there. I sit here.
Whatever, it's okay.
Yay! Look how cute this looks, mommy. Look how pretty. Admire it. You like rose buttons.
Okay, so we keep putting things on the wall. Now we're going to put one of these things. These for so long, but we're going to use it for her room, and I think it's going to look amazing if we put it very close to the mirror. We have like a basket that is going to match the other basket that we have on the top, like hanging. And to make it look taller, we're going to use this riser here. Okay, I think I'm done with the wall and I really like it. It's super cute. It was actually easy to make, but you know, like a lot of work because we basically did all of these DIYs. On part 3, we're going to keep doing DIYs. We have to fix the share of the vanity. We have to do some more DIYs because we have this whole area right here that we also need to decorate. We have another wall and we are pretty excited. I think it's looking really cute right now. I have never done this before, like a whole gallery wall, and I love it. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. If you like this video, a big thumbs up. Make sure that you comment, that you share, and see you on part 3 of this whole series doing my preteen daughters a room makeover. Bye!